For 3 years, families waited, engineers worked, and Tesla stayed silent. This is the Tesla Model YL, and it was worth every second of the wait. Longer, smarter, more capable, built for the family that refused to compromise. 6 seats, 3 rows, 1 price, $61,990. Engineered in Texas, built for every road on Earth, made for one family, yours. This is the most important Tesla in years, and this is its story. 7 inches longer than the Model Y you already know. That stretch changes everything. 4,976 millimeters from nose to tail, almost 5 full meters of intention. The third row is not a compromise. It is not a bench squeezed into a space too small for human beings. It is a destination. Individual captain chairs in the second row, powered, heated, ventilated, because every passenger deserves first class. Every rival brings something: range, space, price. The Model YL brings all of it, and then keeps going. Cosmic silver, one of 5 finishes, and at launch, the paint is free, the wheels are free, all of it yours. 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds. Let that sit for a moment in a 7-seat family SUV. Built at Gigafactory, Texas, a building so large, it has its own weather system. 325 miles on a single charge. Los Angeles to San Francisco, with enough left to keep going. Rain, snow, desert, mountain. The Model YL was built for roads that haven't been named yet. Fold the third row flat and the cargo space opens up. Bikes, luggage, strollers, everything your family carries fits. PowerShare turns this car into a power station, the campsite, the job site, your home during a blackout. One car, infinite possibility. Every destination starts here. One screen, every decision. Every journey controlled with a single touch. Every seat stays connected. Every device stays charged. Every passenger arrives ready. Wake up every morning with a full charge. 325 miles, ready before breakfast. This is what ownership actually feels like. The panoramic glass roof runs the full length of the cabin. From the first row to the third, every passenger looks up and sees the same sky. The comparison is simple: more range, faster acceleration, bigger screen. 1 year of full self-driving, free. The Model YL does not compete, it leads. Full self-driving, 1 full year, included free, worth $15,000, yours on day 1. This is not just a longer Model Y. This is Tesla's answer to every family that ever said, "We need more." It replaces the Model X at $42,000 less. Same DNA, same technology, same Tesla, half the price. For the family of 6, for the road trip that never ends, for every parent who refuses to leave anyone behind. This car was built for you. But this is only the beginning. Tesla is not building cars anymore. They are building a world. Orders are open right now. First deliveries, September 2026. If you are waiting for the perfect moment, you are already in it. This is the road, this is the car, and somewhere ahead, this is your family's next adventure. The Tesla Model YL, the family car reborn. Would you buy the Tesla Model YL at $61,990? Yes or no? Tell us below. Subscribe to ZEVO, hit the bell. Every Tesla story, every single week, before anyone else covers it. The road is open. The car is ready. The only question left is, when are you? Follow ZEVO on YouTube, X, and Instagram. We will see you in the next one.